We're talking the Hyperadapt 1.0. Earl, shouts out to Earl the Pearl. Oh, but we talking a different Earl today. Is this it right here? Yes, one. Cool, that's one. And that's the other jaw. Yeah. What's up, guys? It's Fresco here again, live at Stadium Goods for another Stadium Goods unboxing. So as you guys have been following our YouTube channel, shouts out to you guys for following my YouTube channel, Stadium Goods. We are doing another unboxing of one of the hype shoes of 2018 so far. It's another edition of the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. Two variations of this shoe. So we have they're both Digicamo, but we have the Team Orange and we also have the Team Red colorways in this Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. So let's get to the shoes. We're gonna start right here with the box top. Got the Nike Hyperadapt logo right there. We got the swoosh and the 1.0. As I mentioned, this is another edition of the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. Let's see what colorway we got here. Open this box up. So before we get to the actual shoe, just want to give you a little bit on the detailing. We have the insert here, which includes the pods that charge your Hyperadapt. So in order to use these Hyperadapts, you have to charge them up. You have to keep them freshly juiced, paws. So we've got the swoosh right here, and we've got the pods right here on the inside. Also comes jack charger right there and the pods right here, as I mentioned. So we're gonna close this up and let's get to the shoes. Close this up. And here we have the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0 Digicamo Team Red. So if you guys see on the tongue right here, it bears the acronym EARL. EARL stands for Electro Adaptive Reactive Lacing. That's Electro Adaptive Reactive Lacing. So that is the acronym for EARL that we see right here on the tongue. We've got Digicamo throughout the entire upper here. So Nike is normally famous for a variety of shoes that they've done with this Digicamo print in various colorways. As I alluded to earlier, this is the Team Red colorway. You'll see the Team Red here, which is this burgundy team reddish color right here. We've got a lighter tone of red, just right here. Looks more like a solar red. And then we've got like a goldish tint yellow on the other hits throughout this entire camo. So camo features Team Red, a lighter red, a goldish yellow here, and also the black throughout. We have the swoosh right here on the outside, the outer panel of the shoe. White midsole. Take a look at the black pull tab right here. Take a look at the insert here. Midsole again. And as we get to the outsole, this is where this is the interesting part here. So let's light these up. So as you can see, as you're tightening and loosening these shoes, your outsole on the bottom with the MT square will light up right here. So as we're adjusting, both loosening and tightening each one, as you guys can see, these don't bear actual laces. You can take a look here. They're mesh grips that tie together. So see that? How that mesh comes right together? And then we can loosen that right on up. So each part of the shoe, as you're using the adjustable pieces, it lights up on the back panel here, right above this pull tab. This back panel is fully lit up here, and we also have the pod lit up on the bottom, and also features of the outsole right here, full black and white throughout. Let's take a look at the insole here. Also bears the EARL. And we do have these in a variety of sizes if you're interested. So this is the Team Red colorway. I'm gonna transition over to the Team Orange. So let's open this box up. Very similar to the first box that I just showed you. Also, same, comes with the pods. Insert. And here we go. We've got the Team Orange Hyperadapt 1.0. So as you guys can see here, predominantly green throughout this Digicamo. So we've got the green, we've got the Team Orange right here, we've got the black hits here, and also like a tan hit here in this camo. So this camo, this is actually my favorite out of the two, because you know, I'm a green guy. Green right here in the Digicamo, team orange, black, and the tannish off-white color right there. We've got the swoosh right here on the outer panel of the shoe. And you can see more Digicamo right here throughout. Let's go straight to the outsole. We've got the black and white throughout. And if you guys can see, right there on the toe box tip, we have the Nike swoosh. Also again, we've got the Earl, electro-adaptive reactive lacing. And then let's tighten these up. And these tighten up right there and loosen up right there. So as I mentioned on the previous shoe, there are no laces. These are pretty much just adjustable mesh straps that tighten and loosen as you adjust your shoes. And lastly, we're just going to take a look at both shoes. Team Red, which is the color I did first in the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. Team Orange, which is the second colorway in the Nike Hyperadapt 1.0. You guys see the tongues here again with the Earl, electro-adaptive reactive lacing. Outsoles almost mirror each other. They do mirror each other, in fact. And on the inserts, we've got the Earl on each shoe. Let us know what you think. I'm leaning more towards this, this is like a Miami Hurricanes kind of colorway. And we got the Ron Burgundy right here. Shouts out to Ron Burgundy. But I'm leaning more towards this one. And we're open 7 days a week, 12 to 8. Manhattan, Soho area, 47 Howard Street. Please feel free to stop by or stop by our social media at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. That's Twitter, Instagram, Google+, Snapchat, all at Stadium Goods. Download the new Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and Android. Rock with us, and please visit stadiumgoods.com if you have any questions or anything about anything. It's all available at stadiumgoods.com. Pull up. We're here daily. Salute.